Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description, and remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the product. VEED.io is an impressive online video editing platform offering a comprehensive suite of tools for creating and enhancing your videos. From basic trimming and cropping to more advanced features like adding subtitles, transitions, and even screen recording, VEED.io has it all. The interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it accessible even to those new to video editing. You can easily upload your footage directly from your computer or import it from various online platforms. One of the standout features of VEED.io is its intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. This simplifies the editing process significantly, allowing you to arrange clips, add text overlays, and incorporate visual effects seamlessly. The platform also offers a range of customizable templates, which can be a real time saver, especially for creating social media content or marketing materials. Beyond editing, VEED.io provides robust features for enhancing your videos. You can adjust the color grading, add background music, and even create animated elements to give your videos a professional polish. The platform also supports collaboration, making it easy to work on projects with team members. Another valuable aspect of VEED.io is its transcription and subtitling capabilities. Generating accurate subtitles for your videos is effortless, boosting accessibility and engagement. This feature also makes it easier to repurpose your video content for different platforms and audiences. Furthermore, VEED.io offers various export options, allowing you to optimize your videos for different social media platforms or download them in high resolution. The platform's pricing structure is also quite flexible, with options ranging from a free plan to more comprehensive paid subscriptions. Whether you're a casual video creator or a professional editor, VEED.io offers a compelling solution for all your video production needs. Its combination of user-friendly design, powerful features, and affordable pricing makes it a strong contender in the online video editing landscape. Give it a try and see how it can elevate your video content creation process.